This morning I started out the day in a Tampa federal courthouse in Judge Thomas Barber's courtroom, where there's a case going on involving Scientology and human trafficking. Human trafficking that takes place here in Clearwater and pretty much everywhere that Scientology has a presence, including the Free Winds, their ship at sea. So there are three former Sea Org members who are suing, and the most important issue today that was discussed, and it was the very first thing that Judge Barber took on, was the arbitration clause. And this is something that is insane. Courts around the country just say, oh, it's a religion. Sure, horrific things have happened, but it's a religion, and they signed an arbitration form, so we can't do anything about it. So Judge Barber this morning said to Scientology's attorneys, okay, here's a question that we ask in law school. There's a video of somebody holding a gun to the head of a person demanding that they sign a contract. Is that is that undue pressure? I forget the exact word of it, but Scientology's attorney said, no. I mean, they signed the contract, and so you have to send this to arbitration. And the judge was pretty insistent on trying to get an answer, and Scientology kept saying, hey, if we put a gun to their head and threatened them, you'd still have to send this to arbitration. So hopefully the judge, unlike most other judges, will see fit to say, let's take this to a jury. Because I think once the public hears how these Sea Org members are treated here in Clearwater, at sea, and elsewhere around the world under the leadership of David Miscavige, eyes will be opened. And Miscavige, by the way, it was discussed in court today, Miscavige has been refusing and ducking service. He refuses to accept a subpoena. He is named in this as well. All right, that's all I'll say about that, but thank you for your time.